Hi everyone, I did this alien makeup to celebrate 1 year of posting on TikTok. I'm not super happy with how it turned out, but I'm going to show you how I did it anyway. Starting out, you want to use some liquid latex and some flour and mix it together until you get a smooth paste consistency. For this look, I did break a pair of sunglasses so I could use the lenses as the eyes. And then the teeth that I made, I used the Crayola air dry clay and covered them in latex to seal them. And then I did spill a ton of liquid latex on the floor, like half the bottle. And then on your finger or tool, when you put down the paste in the shape you want, you're going to want to smooth it out with more latex. And then I spilled even more liquid latex on the floor, so that's like $10 worth of latex. Around the eyes, I just built up the latex till I got it into the shape that I wanted. This is the cute little alien nose that I decided to make as well. And then this is the lower jaw piece that I made, and the upper jaw piece that I made. And then I left these for about 10 to 12 hours to dry. And this is what they look like when they're mostly dry. The outside is dry, at least, and they turn kind of a yellowy color, and they're nice and firm when you touch them. And the latex I spilled on the floor is also dry. And as you can see, the inside of the prosthetic / the back was not fully dry because I didn't leave it long enough. Realistically, you should leave it for 24 to 48 hours to completely dry all the way through. But I was in a rush and didn't plan very well, so I left them in front of this fan for like an hour so that they could dry a little bit more. And then I ended up just putting masking tape all over the back so that I didn't get any wet latex in my eyebrows or anything like that. For the application, I'm just taking some Pros-Aid and the prosthetics that I made, and I'm just sticking them on my face, and this is where it kind of all goes very downhill very fast.
Okay, I'm trying to put these guys on. Uh-oh. The the glasses are fogging up right now. I think I'm like, maybe they're like too close to me breathing. This is, I'm struggling a little bit right now. Oh, it's getting so, I literally can't see anymore. Oh no! Uh-oh.
Anyway, the crisis was averted because my brother's wife came up and helped me, and we pulled out one of the lenses so that I could see through a little tiny hole. And then I just started to paint the prosthetic, so I filled the inside of the mouth in with alcohol-activated paints. And I covered the rest of the mask and prosthetics in red eyeshadows. And here I'm just putting on a little bit of foundation, which I didn't need anyway because I ended up making the whole thing pink. But I was just going around with various shades of red and purple and contouring, filling in all of the details, trying to bring out the texture a lot. This side of my face, very patchy, kind of terrible, but I could not see this side of my face. And here I'm just adding a little bit of the Maron Stage Blood, and I also used a little bit of the Maron Squirt Blood. And this is the final product, which you already saw at the beginning of the video, but here it is again. I really hope you guys liked the video. I hope it was informational. I hope you learned some things. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon.